In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut or remove text in Shotcut. This is perfect for beginners who added a text overlay and now want it gone but aren't sure where to click. Don't worry, once you see how it works, it's incredibly simple. In Shotcut, text is added as a filter, which means it sits on your clip just like color correction or blur. To remove that text, you don't have to trim your video or delete the clip. You simply remove the filter itself. Here's the idea. The filters panel shows every effect attached to whatever you've selected. When you created your text, you clicked the plus button to add the filter. To remove it, you'll use the minus button right beside it. Make sure the clip that contains the text is selected on the timeline so its filters are visible. In the filters panel, you'll see a list of filters applied to that clip. Click on the text filter in that list to highlight it. It might be named something like text simple or text rich. With that text filter selected, click the minus icon located next to the plus icon. The moment you do, the text overlay disappears from the preview, and that's it. The text is removed. If you click minus and nothing changes, there are two common reasons. First, the text might be applied to a different clip than the one you've selected. Click the clip that actually shows the text on the timeline and check the filters panel again. Second, the text might have been added at the track level instead of the clip level. In that case, select the track header and look at its filters list. If you see the text filter there, select it and hit minus. The same one-click remove applies in both places. A quick tip before you delete. If you just want to test how your video looks without the text, toggle the filter's visibility using the small enable/disable icon in the filters panel. If you like the result, then go ahead and remove it with the minus button. And if you change your mind after removing it, you can always undo right away. Remember, removing a filter only affects that filter. It won't alter the clip itself or any other effects you've added. Play back your timeline to confirm the text is gone and you're done. If this helped you clean up your Shotcut project, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.